Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. My name is Mike Runnalls from WeBe Autos. Today we have a 1968 Pontiac GTO convertible. This car is pretty much loaded to the gills. It's got the Hydromatic automatic transmission with the his and hers shifter. It's got the power antenna. It has, pretty cool, it has the original tape deck 8-track player in it. Very, very cool. Rally wheels, remote mirror, outside mirror, center console with the buckets, power steering with the Wonder Touch, power brakes, software windows all the way around, and my favorite, factory air conditioning. Awesome. This car is beautiful, very, very straight, no rust or rot anywhere. It's a fine example. Another cool thing, it has the original interior in it. It hasn't been modified or changed or touched at all. Power top also. Interior has a little bit of a patina to it, but the originality of it really brings it way over the top. We have the original owner's manual, PHS documentation on the car, and runs really, really nice. Underneath is also very, very nice. This is a fine example. Rally wheels are perfect with brand new rubber. This car looks like it has a very recent paint job on it. Nose lines up really nice as well. Engine compartment is detailed and painted and beautiful. Just a fine example. Well, thanks for checking us out today. Again, my name is Mike Runnalls from WeBe Autos. You can give us a call at 631-339-0399. Check us out online also. It's WeBeAutos.com. And thank you very much for joining us. Have a great day.